Hi, my name is Kelly Smith and I've been a fine artist for about 11 years now. What I do is I do metal, bronze, and copper sculptures for the wall. My parents have been fine artists for over 35 years, so me and my brother Ricky, we've learned everything that we know from our parents. And today I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do. First of all, I have glasses. Always wear glasses when welding. Very important to protect your eyes. And actually, these are just sunglasses. I use a acetylene and oxygen torch, which is used for welding copper and bronze metals. Start up my torch, get it just to where I need it for the work I'm doing today. What I like to do before I start is always light something like sweetgrass, sage, lavender, eucalyptus, but usually it's sweetgrass. I like that smell the best. I like to smell that while I'm working. I have my bronze rod here. And what I'm working on right now is a commission. It's going to be 3 wall hangings, 3 of them together, and they're actually going to be aspen trees for the wall. The tallest is 7.5 feet, and the smallest is about 6.5 feet. Made out of bronze and copper. And what I'm doing now is I'm heating up the copper tubing, and I got to get it just hot enough so that I can weld the bronze on top. It took a while to figure out just the right touch, because no one can really tell you the shade of red, how hot it is. Got to kind of just do it and figure it out. But I was fortunate enough to have my parents always around in the studio, and I'd watch them anytime I wanted to. So when it came down to me learning 11 years ago, I picked up a torch, started welding, although it did take a while till I got a real hang of it. So right now, I'm going to weld the bronze onto this copper tube. Now it's fortunate that it's a windy day today, because usually I have to wear a mask. Not everyone does, but I do. But on a breezy day like this, it's very nice to be able to not wear the mask and to light my sage or my sweetgrass so I can smell that while I'm working. So you've seen what I've done. Now I'm going to go away to my own little world here with my iPod, which I usually download some really good podcasts of different cultures and different history, and maybe even some news. Not too much news, but just enough. Or some really good music. So off in my own little world. Thanks for stopping by.